Hey everybody, this is Mike with UTV Stereo. Just wanted to show you our new triple amp mount to the Turbo S RZR and the installation of the unit. Alright, let's start the disassembly. First thing you're going to need to do is to pop off the passenger side fender. All right, the next thing we're going to do is move the inner fender out of the way. Alright, now we're going to install the amplifier mount. The first thing you're going to notice is this GPS antenna wire. We need to reroute that so that it does not get pinched by the amplifier mount when we go to install it. Once the wire is routed underneath this crossbar, you're okay to install the amplifier mount. All right, the first step we're going to need to do is we need to take this bolt out of this other fender so we have enough room to work. Then we're going to take our amp mount and slide it in.